In this question, we assume that xi has an exponential distribution with parameter 1 for all I equaling 1, 2, and so on and so forth until n. Now, the variables are independent. x1 is independent of x2, and so on and so forth. And we define t as the sum of all the xi's, and we're asked to find the moment generating function of t. Okay, so let's just recall that the moment generating function of x plus y at point t, well, that equals to the expectation of e to the power of tx times the expectation of e to the power of ty. Now, that equals to the moment generating function of x times the moment generating function of y at t. Now, the moment generating function of x at t